My name's Ken Ross and I work in the parts department selling parts over the counter. Knapheide has upped the scale here as far as our inventory control and organizing our inventory so we can find it faster, know what we have and what we don't have. Typical day, a lot of phone calls with inquiries on what parts we have. Customers like, do you have this? Do you have that? So we have to work our way through it because we sell a lot of different brands of equipment. We're involved with the back shop more because we have a bigger amount of work being done in the shop, especially since the completion of all the bays and more hiring of technicians assembling trucks. So there's a lot of product coming in the back door of our parts that has to be identified as to where it's going to go and when. What's nice about working here is it's easy, relaxed. There's a lot of tools available to us compared to what we've had in the past. We got a good 401k, we've got good health insurance, and those are important things that you need